Hello everyone, this is Vahita, Assistant Professor of MCA Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am here to explain a few topics of the subject MC 4102, Object Oriented Software Engineering. We are going to discuss about the topic need of Object Oriented Software Estimation from Unit 5. The Object Oriented Project Size Estimation technique uses the initial estimates of B1 and B2 to predict how much time is required to design, code, and test an object. The objects can be prescribed in a rational rows class model, for instance, and the calculation of test estimation techniques is based on the past data or the past experience, available documents and knowledge, and assumptions and calculated risks. The software estimation techniques. There are different software testing estimation techniques that can be used for estimating a task. The first one is Delphi technique. Next is WBS, that is work breakdown structure, 3-point estimation, and functional point method. The disadvantages of software estimation techniques are due to hidden factors, it can be over or underestimated, not really accurate. It is based on thinking, involved risk, may give false result, bad to losing, sometimes cannot trust an estimate. Object-oriented metrics in software engineering. These are used to determine the success or failure of a person, also to quantify the improvements in the software throughout its process. These metrics can be used to reinforce the good object-oriented programming technique which lead to more reliable code. And object-oriented software engineering metrics are units of measurement that are used to characterize the object-oriented software engineering products, example design, source code, and the test cases. Object-oriented software engineering processes, example designing and coding. Object-oriented software engineering people, example productivity of an individual designer. Software measurement. A measurement is a manifestation of the size, quantity, amount, or dimension of a particular attribute of a product or process. Software measurement is a input of characteristic of a software product or the software process. It is an authority within software engineering, and the process is defined and governed by ISO standard. Need of software measurement. The software is measured to create the quality of the current product or process, anticipate the future qualities of the product or process, enhance the quality of a product or process, and regulate the state of the project in relation to budget and schedule. Classification of software measurement. There are two types of software measurement, that is direct measurement and indirect measurement. Direct measurement, the direct measurement product, process or thing is measured directly using the standard scale. In indirect measurement, the quantity or quality to be measured is measured using related parameter, that is by use of reference. Metrics. A metric is a measurement of the level that any input belongs to a system, product, or process. There are 4 functions related to software metrics, that is planning, organizing, controlling, improving. Characteristics of software metric. Quantitative. Metrics must possess quantitative nature. It means metrics can be expressed in values. Understandable. Metric computation should be easily understood. The method of computing metrics should be clearly defined. Applicability. The metric should be applicable in the initial phases of development of the software. Repeatable. The metric values should be same when measured repeatedly and consistent in nature. Economical. The computation of metrics should be economical. The language independent. Metrics should not depend on any programming language. Classification of software metrics. There are 3 types of software metrics: product metrics, process metrics, and project metrics. Product metrics are used to evaluate the state of the product, tracing the risks and uncovering the prospective problem areas. The ability of the team to control quality is evaluated. Process metrics pay the particular attention on enhancing the long-term process of the team or organization. The project metrics describes the project characteristics and execution process, the number of software developers, staffing pattern over the life cycle of the software, cost and schedule, and productivity. Thank you.